6:14 p.m. At 6:27 p.m.
Another SVR. Let's go.
Kisco, moving east at 35 miles.
Oh yeah.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter.
Let's go.
Source radar indicated. Impact minor hail damage to vehicles if possible.
Yeah.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stanford and New Canaan around 6:35 p.m.
Wind 5 to 10
Richfield
miles.
and Wilton around 6:40 p.m. Weston and Reading around 6:45 p.m. Fairfield around 6:55 p.m. Utah and Trumbull around
Oh,
7
I see. It's not on case it's
Fire
8:31.
protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh shoot.
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors
It's fine,
immediately.
it's okay.
Lightning is one of nature's leading
The antenna's
killers.
fine.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.